We have just got 4 short weeks to fully renovate a tired apartment into a modern day bachelor pad. Luckily, I have the 2 perfect girls to help me get started. This is the first time that we've done a renovation takeover here at ABI, so we are going to be putting as many ABI products as we can in this place. So Clayton, he is an entrepreneur, he's living his best life, but he has absolutely no idea about design, which is why he's given us this takeover. So today I've invited Raquel and Renee to meet me to go over the whole project. I really hope that they're keen. So basically the reason for the 4-week timeline is because Clayton has to move out within that time, so we need to get in there, we need to get it done so that he can move straight back in. Oh, that's them there, fingers crossed.
Hello!
Hello!
It's so nice to see you.
You too. Thanks for coming, guys.
Hello.
My name's Renee Noka. I finished my diploma of interior design whilst working at ABI mid last year. I've been in ABI for 2 years now. I started in sales and have since moved into product marketing, which has been a major creative pivot in my career. So I have a wealth of knowledge when it comes to the ABI product range.
Hi, I'm Raquel Wise. I'm a qualified interior designer and I've been freelance interior design for the past 5 years now. And during this time, I've also worked part-time at ABI and been fortunate enough to work across all areas of their business. And I guess what I love most about my job is being able to visualize a space's potential and see it come to life. So, what do we have here?
So what's going on?
Well, I have a really exciting project. It will be a full ABI takeover renovation of a modern bachelor pad. It's currently really tired, but I think that we can make it look really good. That's if you guys are keen to help.
No, it depends.
Yeah, is there a catch?
There is a catch. It needs to be done in 4 weeks from demo day.
Okay,
4 weeks.
Still 4 weeks, Lou.
That's unheard of.
I'm really concerned about the 4-week timeline. I think that is unrealistic.
Look, there's no major structural changes, just major cosmetic changes that need to be made.
So if there's no major structural changes, then I feel like it could be achievable. What do you reckon, Raquel? Do you think we can do it?
I'm a bit nervous, like 4 weeks, like that's a
know.
really quick turnaround time for a full reno. But I guess we'll give it a go.
You guys have 100% got this. To be honest, my concern is the time frame, but I haven't expressed that concern to them at all. I've just acted like it's normal and it's fine and it's gonna be okay.
Today we are heading to Frederick Street and I will be seeing the apartment for the first time. So where's Raquel?
She unfortunately can't make it today. She's got mama duties. Are you excited to see the place?
Yes, actually to be honest I'm nervous. Just to see what you've got us in for.
So this is it. Oh my God. Yeah, so it's the top floor at least.
What have you gotten us in for?
I know.
First thing going is the door.
Absolutely. You ready?
Yeah, let's do this. Oh God.
Welcome,
Look at
welcome.
these tiles. Gorgeous.
Yes, this is it.
Would you like a living room with that couch?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh my God, that lounge. Men and their big furniture pieces.
So do you want to keep these curtains?
Definitely not. Oh my God, this couch. Oh my God, what is this painting blue? He's definitely
I love
not
it.
happy
I want
with
to
it.
keep it. You don't like
He's
it?
not happy to be here. Is that a chicken foot? This apartment is very run down. It's going to require a lot of work. It's our job to turn this place into a modern day bachelor pad.
I reckon it would be really good. He'll be able to use this as like an entertaining space.
I think we should widen the bench tops and then we can extend that out to like a breakfast bar.
breakfast bar.
And then extend it over to the wall.
If you think the kitchen's bad, wait till you see the
Oh my
bathrooms.
God, this is what I'm most excited for.
Oh my God. This apartment has definitely seen better days.
These yellow walls. I feel like I could get a tan in this place. What are we gonna do with this place?
He was happy to not have a laundry. He was happy to leave his washing machine down in the garage.
But what we could do, I was looking in the linen cupboard on the way through. We could bring the laundry into that space there
Good point.
and then just keep this a main bathroom.
That is a great idea. All right, master bedroom. What do you think of the colour?
This says it all. Wow. The pastel walls, my God. Atrocious.
Obviously, there is a time crunch. Once that demo day arrives, we've got 4 weeks to go.
Let's get started.
So we have a lot to order. We really need to knuckle down and order everything ASAP so you can arrive in time for the project.
When you're starting to design a space, the best place to start is a mood board. So when starting a mood board, I always start with the tapware finish first. Then I go on to choosing statement finishes like tiles or stone. And then I'll finish off with choosing textures and colours that complement the first two.
We want to have that wow factor, and gunmetal is the perfect choice. So the stone that we chose to tie in with the gunmetal is this beautiful, bold, opulent stone.
We've got beautiful black cabinetry and we're going to complement that with some really nice timber oak overheads.
With the beautiful stone, we're going to wrap that around the corner, which will then form the breakfast bar. So Clayton will be able to entertain whoever he wants on that.
So with the laundry, we were able to reconfigure the linen cupboard to incorporate the washing machine and have a really nice setup in there with a sink, some shelving.
In the bathroom, because we were able to move the laundry out, we now have so much more room to put a bigger shower and then a double basin.
What do you think, ladies? Are we happy with that order?
Yeah, that looks good.
Let's do it. Shall we commit?
Yep, let's go.
All right, let's do it.
So everything has finally arrived and demo day is here.
Hey, good morning.
Hey! How are you, mate?
Plan today?
Demo.
Demo, let's get it all done.
Get our hands dirty.
I'll leave you to it. We'll come back and we'll finish.
Sweet.
Skirtings, curtains, blinds, lights. Don't touch the electrical.
That's Alicia.
That's Sparky over here.
4-week timeline's tight, but I've got a fair few boys that are going to help get the demo done, and as long as all the trades come through, we should be all right with the 4 weeks, hopefully.
Let's buckle up, shall we?
I can't miss this one. I'm gonna need help.
Adios, ugly blue curtains.
I am carrying this carpet downstairs and then I realise this isn't my job.
So we're not really cut out for the major demolition of this project, so we're going to leave that to the professionals.
So basically everything is being gutted today. We'll have a blank canvas to work with.
This is a completely stripped out apartment. There is no turning back now.
There is so much happening at Frederick Street.
What's happening today?
Straight away, I see the black side panels on the overheads. What is going on?
We're so close to the end. Let's finally make it a home.